Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2013 Toyota Highlander Limited, and there is a problem with the headlights. This one on the driver side perfectly works, but the other one on the passenger side has a problem. Now if you look on the light, this area is for daytime running light and the high beam. This is the low beam, and this is the turn signal and the marker. So let's see which one is not working. And obviously that's very simple. I will just go to the cabin and put the lights on. And let's see what's happening here. So as I said, he's supposed to be all good. That's confirmed. And if I'm looking here, there is a problem with this light. And this is the low beam light. And most of the time when this happens, the bulb is at fault. That means one of the wires, it's burned and it's not working anymore. So let's go together to see how to replace that bulb. So I put those lights in the off position again, right? I install here a light. Hopefully that will help you to see how easy it should be. So the one which is right here, this is that high beam and daylight. And the one which is more on outside actually has a green color on the back. This is that low beam light, right? And that will be the bulb. So first you have to undo that electrical connector, which is very easy. You will be pressing on this tab and pulling it downwards. Not sure if there will be enough space for me to show it to you, but basically this is what it is. Push, right? And then it will go down. It might also click. Boom. I will probably need to switch my hands and the camera. So let's put it here. Good. Now it will go immediately. So once again, I push this tab and pull that connector down. Can't you see it? You can. That's perfect. And now I will turn the whole bulb counterclockwise, and that will remove it. So I believe you can perfectly see it. Yes. So now I'm turning it, right? Boom. And look, it's coming out. Here you can see this bulb in detail nicely, right? Here is that connector, 2-pin connector we were disconnecting, and this is the bad bulb. It is burned somewhere inside. Now unfortunately these bulbs are not very affordable. They are rather expensive, and this is how it comes from the Toyota and Honda dealer. You can see there is a Honda part, but it should fit in this Toyota too. Now, word of caution. You never want to touch that glass with your fingers. So this is the first time I'm opening it. Let's see how it's packed, right? And you don't want to touch that new glass. So I'm being very careful. You can see it inside, hopefully. Do you? Anyway, this is how it's inside. I will grab it. Right? I'll be not touching that glass no matter what. Here is the new one. Right? Obviously the same thing. And I'm ready carefully go and install it. So we will do just opposite what we just did. Let me start that light. Here we are back. Let me position the camcorder so you can see it, the whole process. And again, switching my fingers, and don't want to touch that glass. So I click it there, and I turn it down, going the opposite, right? Do you see it there nicely? I hope so. Now I can connect the connector from underneath. All right. You will hear the click. Did you hear that? Perfect. Trying to film it all for you live, right? There's no skipping. You can see it really step by step. And let's go together back on the tripod and see if I was right. So it's all live still, and cross the fingers that the repair was correct. Put the lights on. What do you say? Oh yeah! So this perfectly worked and the repair was successful. And only sad part of the story is that that H11 bulb actually costed $25 at the dealer. Other than that, definitely happy ending. I hope you found this video helpful and be subscribed. I have more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.